Many adore robots. Those with dreams of working with machines are often deterred by the complexity, expense, and high learning curve. This is why we've created an integrated motor, a small-sized, high-performance, user-friendly innovative development tool. A smart integrated motor.
Hey, Kickstarter community friends. We hope you all robot lovers can easily create robots. Say goodbye to complex parts and give our all-in-one motor a try.
You can build your own robotic world like assembling blocks. We offer robust component support to bring your unique ideas to life. As the core module of intelligent robots, incorporates in-house developed components like gearbox, load-bearing steel rings, brushless motors, drive modules, and input-output interfaces. The integrated motor has a cross-sectional diameter less than 50 millimeters and a length measurement under 91 millimeters, with a maximum output torque of up to 8 Nm. You can operate the motor by connecting it to a compact adapter board. This allows Bluetooth control via your phone or a direct connection to your computer using a Type-C cable. The motor supports 3 major robotics development platforms, offering a total of 42 API interfaces. You can perform servo control for position, speed, and torque on the module, acquiring real-time hardware data from the integrated motor module. Hardware communication is designed based on the CAN bus, supporting a bus-type expansion of up to 63 motors. The motor's rated power is just 35 watt. Its multi-turn absolute positioning function for up to 2 years without power. It smoothly connects with different hardware using various BOO rates, no extra expansion needed.
You can use this all-in-one motor for modular design or free assembly. The lightweight mechanical arm crafted with high precision ensures a positioning accuracy, a repeatability of around 0.02 mm for its 6-axis movement. It can handle a 1 kilogram load across a 300 mm range of motion.
This module can also be used for experimentation on mobile robots, featuring a lightweight 4-wheel omnidirectional chassis design that supports a rated load of up to 25 kilograms. Unleash your creativity. You can use the motor in small smart products. For instance, utilizing its speed control function, you could develop an electric skateboard drive. It's all possible. You can also assemble and simulate on a virtual platform, constructing models in advance, developing offline, and validating your ideas at a low cost. We offer an open ecosystem library enabling rapid application development using modules, bringing your ideas to reality. The integrated motor makes learning about robotics at home easy. It's awesome for bringing your ideas to life, making it an excellent core component for home, educational, and professional use. Whether you're a robotics expert, a creative enthusiast, or a beginner, you can embark on an exciting robotic journey with the integrated motor by your side. We're eager to invite more developers to join us and explore exciting possibilities. Our aim is to contribute more to humanity in the future through our projects.